Today we're out in Plainfield, Indiana, Hendricks County, and we're at Pulte Homes, Sandstone Landing, and we're going to go inside and tour the Waldorf, and I want to show you what this property is all about. You're going to love this property. This community is very exclusive. They have less than 70 lots out here. Price points start at the upper 300s. There's a range of lots on the back side over here where you can get 3-car garages, but it is a very exclusive area, so you might want to come out here and get positioned to be able to purchase in here, because there's just a limited number of lots available. All right, let's go in here and let's see what we got going on here at the Waldorf. All right, let's come over here, and we're in the kitchen right now. I'll show you around here. We've got the entry over here to the garage. You can see right here, and right over here is the laundry room. And over here, we got the built-in appliances. The Waldorf, we've got gas appliances here, as you can see. Base price starting out for this right here is $379.9. So let's just say $380,000. Decked out as this one is, everything included, not furnished, $440. Minus the refrigerator is not included. We've got an office space back here. All right, let's go over to the dining area. Follow me. Come on. Let's go. One of the cool things that I do like right here is an electric fireplace. It is the only type of fireplace that you can get is an electric. I like this horizontal one. You can change the actual colors of the flame. Love it. You can't get a wood. You cannot get gas here. Just your electric. So think about that. If you're looking for a home that actually has a wood burner, you're wanting that, you favor that kind of thing, it's not going to happen in here. It's electric, okay? So let's go over here. This is a 5-bedroom, 1 bedroom down. You have a full bath right over here. And let's go into the bedroom. Let's see here. I'm just going to give you a real good idea of what this bedroom is. As far as the size goes, we're looking at, it's a flex space at 10.5 by 12. Well, actually, it'd be a little bit smaller because of converted to a bedroom with a closet. So let's go ahead and let's exit out here and follow me. Closet, and this is where the water heater, not the water heater, the plumbing for the water softener is. Look at this view here, guys. Check this out. Love all the windows. And like I've always said, if there is an empty field behind, pay attention. What are they going to do? Could they develop back there? Inside word here out at Sandstone that they might not be developing it for a 15, 20 years maybe, but always check. Don't take my word for it. Verify, verify, verify. All right, look at this. Open concept. You got to love it. Got to love it. We got to put 3 people. I think we could go 4 here. What do you think? 4 people here at the island. We're going to go upstairs and check out. Wait a second. I need my folder. I need my folder. All right, let's go. Check out this loft area here. Let me get my paper out so I'm educated here, right? Our loft area is a 10 by 7 by 16 across. Nice size. You can see they're able to put a 3-person sectional right here and also a gaming table. I'm going to save the primary suite for last. Let's go back and let's go check out the other suites. Follow me. All right. Down the hallway, we have our mechanicals right in this area. Another bedroom. We have a standard closet. Let me go ahead and check that and verify it. Well, it's not a standard closet. We have a walk-in closet. Nice size. Follow me. Let's go. Come on. Hallway bath here has 2 sinks, 2 vanity sinks. You can see 1, 2. We have a hallway linen closet. Bedroom 2, 3, or bedroom 3, 4, who knows? These are the larger bedrooms here. As you can see, everything. Guys, whenever you see a newer model like this is a newer model that just opened up in February. Pay attention to the decorations. Pay attention to the way they've designed as far as interior designing, the colors, that kind of thing that they use. Nice big closet here. So if you're wanting to know what the latest colors are, this looks more earth tones. Got some grays, but it's more of a grayish, I don't know, maybe a brown mixed in with it. Another nice sized bedroom here. And we got a full closet over here as well. Once again, pay attention. We got a nice light hanging down. This looks like a full size. Let's see what this bedroom is. We're looking at, it looks like 11.6 by 12. Let's move on. Let's head over to the primary on down the hallway here. You got pony walls here. Now let's go into the primary suite. All right, we are inside the primary suite. This has a very large bed. I'm guessing this is a king size. Look at the windows, nice large windows here. We got 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, 9 foot down below. Now, this is the real important part here for a primary suite. We have the water closet. You have a door on it. That is good. We've got 2 closets, 2 large closets in this primary suite bathroom. This one here, I'm going to come around here. This one is the largest closet right here. And guys, I'm afraid to tell you this would not be your closet. It's not. I'm sorry. It is too big. We've got dual vanity sinks here. Nice. I like this. Nice and wide. A lot of space. Now let's go back to the closet that the males would have. It's a nice thing that there are 2 very large closets in here. I do like it. Now I'm going to jump over here. Let me come out. We'll just go ahead and turn back around. This right here, we've got a couple things going on that I really enjoy. This area right here, pay attention to what they've done with this. They put a nice table, a dresser top, a sit down where somebody could be sitting there getting ready for work or going out, whatever it might be. Now here, I like this because they have this glass around it. Nice and big. This is a party shower. Why do I say it's a party shower? Because you can get more than one person in here. There we go. See? And this bench right here makes it feel even larger. All the glass, yeah, you might have to clean it, but if you put some kind of Rain-X or something on it, it'd be easy to clean. Think about it, right? I do like that shower. It looks much larger because of the glass. Did I mention that this home is priced at let's go ahead and go back out here. You coming with me? Okay. All right, so let's open this back up. Okay, as it sits, 440 as is, with all the options that it has. Base price 380,000. Now out here at Sandstone Landings, it also includes, with the HOA, you've got your internet and cable included. There are 3 floor plans available out here. The Waldorf is the number one. They also have the Dakota, and the Dakota is the only one that you can get with a 3-car garage. Bring you guys back down in here so you could see this once again, because this is the most important area, because it's the gathering area of where everything is going to be taken care of, with birthday parties, holiday, all of this. When you're watching the big games on TV, a great area right here to put all the food down here, and the big screen TV up on the wall. Let's pan around and show you that. As you can see right here, you can see that what it would feel like with a bunch of family members or friends over here just spending time together. This feel that in this property right here, that's what this property has. Nice large area for cooking. And the best part, guys, you always know that me, if you pay attention to my videos, I'm always about this area right here, which is, come follow me, the pantry. Yes, you can put food in here, but the biggest thing that I like about pantries is you can put your appliances in this area. You can hide them, and that way you don't have them on your counters. Keep your counters clean. It creates less stress. Gas appliance here. Nice looking overhead vent. This right here has a nice vibe. It really, really does. Like I said, we're out here in Plainfield, Indiana, Hendricks County, and we're in the Plainfield school system. Check it out. Do your due diligence. If you're interested in looking to buy, sell, invest out in the Hendricks County area, Johnson County, or anywhere around the metropolitan Indianapolis area. My name's Devin Hunter. I'm a private advisor for real estate. If you're interested, get with me. You'll see all my contact information down below. All right, let's go outside here so that way you can see the optional patio, which is 15 by 8. Now, just be aware this is optional. So I believe this. Let's come on and back inside here. And once again, let's just do a quick run through here, pan around, so that way you can see what this area is like. Undermount sink. Guys, this is really a good looking property. I do like this layout. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. You got all the details if you have any questions for me. Glad to help you out if you have any questions about this builder or any other builders out here in the Plainfield, Hendricks County area. You know what to do. Call Devin Hunter, private advisor. Look at this. Look at these windows. This is very cool, guys.